Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about business plan. Whether you are an existing business, established business, startup or an entrepreneur who is planning to start something of his own, business plan is very fundamental and is required everywhere. Though business plan could differ on the basis of the objective and purpose for which someone is making it. For a startup, the objectives could be to raise investment from investors, make a pitch to the investors to sell their ideas. For existing business, it could be to grow into new market. For international business, it could be entering into a new market or expanding and growing their business. Irrespective of the purpose, the key components of the business plan remain same, though inclusion could vary depending upon the purpose for which a business plan is being made. Today I am going to talk about and take an example in reference to the existing business or an international business who is looking to enter in a new market or a new geography, what the key components or the inclusions of the business plan should be. Essentially, the business plan has three key components. The number one is a strategy. Number two is the plan, how you are going to execute, implement your strategy. And number three, the financials, your projections, the profitability of your business. Let's pick each of them one by one. The first component, the first section is the strategy. In order to get to the strategy that how you will enter any new market, any new geography, or any new product portfolio, you need to first understand how the market dynamics looks like. So that means you need to give a landscape of the market which comprises the competition, the customer, the channel partners, the regulators, and the influencers, and see that where your product or service fit best vis-a-vis the demand and the options available in the market, and you devise your strategy accordingly, that what should be your strategy to enter the market with the product or the service that you have. According to that, you put in place your 5 P's of strategy, which starts with the product strategy. What product you are going to introduce into the market? Do you need some customization of your product? Do you need to create or bring some innovation in your existing product to make it suitable for the new market? What is going to be your pricing strategy vis-a-vis your competition, and the price acceptability in the market, the geography you are going to enter? What should be your pricing strategy? Is your pricing strategy going to be different for a different target segments? Should you going to have a separate penetration strategy to enter into this market? These all things is covered in this pricing strategy. And then comes your place strategy. What is going to be your priority or the target locations to enter? How you are going to address that? You can also consider this as a part of your location analysis to get to the decision of where and how you should be entering from a geographical representation standpoint. So that helps you in driving and carving your location strategy, which is essentially a place strategy out of 5 P. Uh, the fourth P talks about the promotion. So what's going to be your sales and marketing strategy? How you are going to acquire the clients and the customers in the target market and the target segment that you are looking for? What kind of marketing channels are you going to employ? So all these things cover into the sales and the marketing strategy. And then comes the people strategy. What kind of resources would you be requiring to enter into this new market on the geography? Do you need partners? Do you need channel partners? Do you need people on your own payroll? How you are going to design your organization structure? So these are the 5 P's which plays an important role as part of the strategy section in the business plan. Product strategy, pricing strategy, place strategy, promotion strategy, and the people strategy. Once you have clarity in terms of the strategy to go about to acquire or in certain business or they enter into the new market or the geography, you then go to the next component of the business plan, which is about the plan. You have a strategy in place, but how you are going to implement it, how you are going to the execute it, what are the things you will be doing in the year 1, what are the things you will be doing in the year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. Typically, a business plan is made for 3 years and in some cases 5 years. However, this is reviewed and evaluated on a yearly basis, and if there are any changes are required, those changes are incorporated in the business plan. So in the plan section, you put up the key activities that you will be doing in year 1 and year 2, year 3, and year 4, year 5 in order to implement the strategy around the product, price, place, promotion, and the people. Once you have those activities, milestones, and everything carved as far as your implementation plan is concerned, then you know that what are the things you need to do in the next 3 to 5 years to implement your strategy. Then you get into the financial section of your business plan, and that's where you put into both your cost of operations in year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5 for all the activities that you have mentioned in your plan, that these are the things you will be doing in year 1, year 2, and year 3. So what are going to be the cost for delivering those activities? These things are going to be factored in the financial section. So you will put all the cost factors related to the operation of the business for next 3 to 5 years. And then you also plug into this your revenue projections, and this will also come from the strategy section where you have done the market assessment and you have get a fair understanding of what's the market size and what's the addressable market that you are going to target in next 3 to 5 years, and with some assumptions what's the share of that market you are going to tap in next 3 to 5 years. So those revenue projections will go into the financials, and when you put into your pricing at what level you will be selling your product and services, include the components on the taxes and all, you will get to know about your profitability. So essentially the financial section will have your profit and loss statement for next 3 to 5 years, your balance sheet statement, and your cash flow. And it's also a good practice to have a break-even and a sensitivity analysis as well in your financial plan, which can give the management an idea that in a different case scenario how your business is going to perform if you follow this business plan. So these are the key 3 sections or the components for business plan: strategy, how you're going to implement your strategy, that's plan, and the financial. So if you remember in your mind the strategy, plan, and financials, these 3 key components of a business plan. So with this thinking, irrespective of the business sector and the purpose for which you are making a business plan, you will be able to develop a business plan. So with this, I close my talk for today, but I hope you may find it useful to get a fundamental understanding of what a typical business plan constitutes of. If you like my talk, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Business Basics. I'd also love to hear from you if there are any other topics that you want me to talk about. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.